Monday already, baby. The weekend's over. We're back. The BDH.
We are back. Week 2, Monday. Let's get into it. Woo!
Happy Monday, guys. We're back with renewed energy and focus here. Really gonna be working on those setups again, but really talking through everything as well. Obviously, my shortcomings last week was kind of getting out of trades a little bit too early or holding on to bad trades way too long. So definitely gonna be a lot more communicative with Pat this week. See what we can get by the end of it. We really gotta work towards that payout.
Back here, week 2, day 6. Week 1 was freaking awesome. I had such a good time. Pat really helped me learn a lot about the market, about discipline. I also learned a lot about myself as a trader. I can't wait to see what obstacles, what opportunities come. I'm excited for week 2. Let's go.
It's Mega Money Mondays! Let's fucking go. Round of applause. We are back here for the BDH mentorship.
Last week was awesome. I feel like I learned a lot about myself as a trader when it comes to discipline and actually being able to identify setups.
I'm seeing the bull and bear flags crystal clear. The thing I'm not still seeing perfectly is then the confirmation entry afterwards. So that's the thing that I still got to dial in a little bit better.
All right, market about to open here. Here we go.
Where's your stop?
706 area.
Right above those wicks right
Yeah,
there.
it stopped. I'm just getting out right there. I'm not gonna let it come to get my stop there. It's probably gonna rip back up now. He's trying to push here. I'm about to buy. I'll see this 48 level minimum here. Staying patient. Let this play out. The bulls want to go. The bulls want to go.
2 minis.
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
I wouldn't even say it's revenge trading. I think we just got stopped out stupid, and now it's like, hey, I'm gonna fucking get back in on my original setup here.
Exactly. This is what we were looking for all day.
Come on.
This is gonna work. It's gonna work. We got stopped out of the shorts this morning. We got some longs. Break through the 60s. Like, if you get filled at 61, you don't think we go to 71? You know what I mean? Like, either like you gotta put your target lower than 61, or you gotta put it higher. Just because that's like right where that wick is, the top of that wick.
I mean, I think it's gonna hit pre-market high. Like it's gonna hit that 773 area. We're going higher. We hit that 161.
Got a band here. Got a band. $5,000 for last week. Biggest payout from trading ever.
Biggest payout.
Biggest payout right there. 5,000. This guy comes to the BDH learning how to day trade. Also makes $5,000. Pretty fucking insane. You gotta think about. All right, Alex. Come on, buddy. I'm praying for you. Should I go along with you? Do we finally get a move here at 1050? Coming for you, Alex. Back to the opening range high.
That was a 30-minute trade.
All right, we're back here, BDH. Week 2, 11:20. The market's pretty much gone nowhere. I mean, there's no continuation at all. So I've taken a couple trades. I've lost some money. I'm down in my account right now. I'm just waiting for some continuation. I'm just holding my stops tight. And I guess my take profits are a little bit too high. Once the market starts moving again, then I'll be able to make some money. But right now, it's not looking so good. So I'm gonna get back out there and see if we can end up green on the day.
So midday update here. Surviving the chop, you know, has been a pretty volatile market going up and down. Really hasn't been a lot of range in that volatility though. Really proud of myself with the way that we're cutting off some of our losses. We've had some good wins today as well. I think we're setting a really good tone for this week. Between now and Friday, we gotta, you know, just keep leveling up, and leveling up.
Well, there's an old saying in the market, no news Monday normally means chop. And well, today was exactly that. The guys found out exactly what happens when you fuck around and find out. Today was a good example of that. We had some up moves, some down moves. It was a short, it was a long, it was a short, it was a long. No one really knew exactly what it was. At some point, we got the push back up, but you know, that's trading. On a Monday, sometimes you just get this kind of indecisive market. We're at the all-time highs. Every trade you take, you have to just put a trade on. If you get stopped out, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You know, when those really good days come along, that's when we need to capitalize. That's when we need to make as much money as we can, because on a day like today, when the market's just not giving to those setups, you know, it's time to walk away. The best traders are the ones who lose the best. And today, it was all about just kind of managing risk and managing expectations and just staying alive. You can't make the market move. And today was a perfect example of that. I'm gonna try a little long here. Just get through that 50 area. Try to add maybe even.
3 more orders out at 733.
All right, so
In
you're
case
long right now. Where are you long at?
In case it does dip, I'm long at 745. Feeling good about this.
All right, there's that pullback. We're filled all the way now. So 740 average here. Need this VWAP area to hold up. If you can't hold that, I'm out at the 25s here. Through the 740s here one more time. I might take profit earlier on this just because this ain't playing out the way that I like it. If I don't get stopped out here, it'll be a miracle. Oh my God, it's a miracle.
One filled.
I might add into the 50s and we pull back all the way into the 50s. So I like those EMAs down there.
I was trailing my stop, so I got out of everything in the green.
You're out?
Nice.
Some people don't understand too. It's like this shit, it ain't just like you're gonna show up here and just like magically you're gonna fucking become the best trader in the world.
Yeah, man. It takes a couple days.
It takes fucking time. I mean, it takes
been
time.
doing future
It takes years. You said days. You know, just sitting at home trying to trade and like fucking watch little videos on YouTube. Like that shit's, it ain't easy.
Yeah.
Right? You need to come in here. You need to see it in real time. Yeah. Like watching a video about some guy like, hey, look at this amazing strategy that I have. You just buy here and you sell here. That's fine, right? That's a great idea, like in theory. But the problem is, it ain't fucking like, it ain't when it in the moment, man. When the shit is hitting the fan, Greg. You know, when your fucking balls are shriveling up and you're thinking about, oh my God, I'm gonna get stopped out. You know, like that's when it fucking, that's when it's real. At this point, I don't care. Because it's like, we fucking call that out perfect. Through the 40s, did I not fucking give you the trade on a golden bladder? Can we get this push through the 70s, boys?
Are you still long?
I'm still long.
I mean,
you gotta get through the 70s strong, and then it's game fucking on. Trump is done, we're going to the moon. Did we not say that? Did we not fucking say that, boys? Honey, did you make money?
I made some money.
Ooh, did you make money?
We're getting there. We're making some money.
Even the Careman made money. Let's go. Nasdaq trying to get above the 87s. Alex is looking for a long. We already got Greg long here. Can we push above the 800s again? All right, we're good. Let's put $1,000 on her. $1,000 payout. That's just trading. You're gonna have plenty of days where every setup that you could possibly take, the bull flags, the bear flags, just do not work.
Yeah.
And it happens. It happens more often than not. But it's like having a plan, having a stop loss, having, you know, some type of overall process. And you hope that at the end of the day, the market gives you what you want. If not, then you fucking
try it again tomorrow.
just kind of come back tomorrow and do it all over again. I'm happy with that. I'll take it. Big thank you guys for tuning in. Big thank you, Greg and Alex here for day 6 of the mentorship. It was a hard, I mean, but we needed this day, right? It's been too easy.
Days like this,
I need these days. This is part of trading. This is when people go from, you know, green streak to a blow up streak, and they end up just losing everything because they go on tilt right here. Today's the day to go on tilt and blow it all.
So wrapping up the day, we did a few things today. Again, really focus on stop losses and things like that. I was really proud of myself for the various setups that I took. I was really understanding the bull flags, bear flags, everything. It was a really choppy day though. So it really kind of shows you on chop days like this, even if you kind of have a pretty good clear picture, it might not necessarily go in the direction that you want. And that's again why we keep those stops tight and keep yourself alive so that you can keep killing it the next day.
End of day 6 here. It was just a super choppy market today. There was no continuations on any of my longs. I was looking at a bullish market and I was just holding my losers too long. Exactly what I said I wasn't gonna do last week. I did it. So we're gonna put this day behind us. We're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna make some money. I did walk away with $5,000 cash from my Friday win, which is huge. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow's market. We got some news tomorrow and hopefully I cut my losers short and I make some money.